So before this video gets started, if you signed up for Uber and you forgot to use a referral code when you did sign up, no worries. It is not too late. You can still apply a referral code and get your cash bonus or guarantee of up to $1,000. You can literally get it applied and get it to your bank account today so you can be on track to get your bonus or guarantee. Again, if you signed up for Uber and forgot to use a referral code, I'm gonna leave all the instructions in the description down below. It's super easy to do. All you have to do is take out your app, your Uber app. I'm just gonna leave all the instructions down below, so just pause the video and apply that referral code today. It's super easy and literally takes 30 seconds. You would be, well, I don't wanna call you dumb if you don't do it, but just do it, trust me, you will not regret it. Now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? And welcome back to the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the world, the Rideshare Hub. It's a fact, we're #1 now. No, I'm just kidding. I think we're number 5 or 10, I don't know. There's a lot of good rideshare YouTube channels out there, but we are the Rideshare Hub. What is a hub? Well, you guys are probably familiar with another hub out there, but this is the Rideshare Hub. We have multiple creators on here, me with Keenan, Jacob, and Greg. There's 4 main people on this channel right now. We take turns posting, and I figured that I would take my turn to talk about something, one of my biggest questions ever, which is Uber's sign-up bonus, sign-up guarantee, retroactive referral code. How does that work? What does it work? How does it work? What is it? How many rides you have to do? What's the bonus amount? What's the guaranteed amount? Is it a bonus, cash bonus? Is it a guarantee? There's so many questions. Does it work in the United States? What markets does it work in? Does it work in other countries? I'm gonna answer all those questions. I wanted to just hop on and clear it up. By the way, before I get into all of it, I just wanna say, I'm gonna update the description down below. So if any of this stuff changes in the future, which I would not be surprised if it literally changed tomorrow, I will update the description. You guys will not be left in the dark. You don't have to go search around for more videos. If you're watching this video, it will be updated in real time. I go back and update all my old videos too whenever something changes, and I change all the descriptions. So check the descriptions. If you want to get your retroactive referral bonus, go ahead and check the description down below for Uber. Like if you signed up for Uber and if you forgot to use a code when you signed up, it's not too late. You can still get your bonus or guarantee of up to $1,000. I know, it's absolutely crazy, but yeah. Anyways, let's start into it. Really quickly, Lyft. Lyft is a cash guarantee. It's usually around 1,000 or 1,700 bucks. They say do 130 rides, 150 rides, 200 rides, whatever, and they're gonna guarantee that you make that amount. Most people don't make their amount because it's really easy to just do a bunch of short rides, and that way, you don't make it, and they'll cover the difference, right? So let's say your cash guarantee is $1,000 in 50 rides. So let's say you do 50 rides, and let's say you're making $7 a ride. So you make 350 bucks. That's pretty low, but what Uber's gonna do, they're gonna match the difference. So they're gonna give you $650 cash to make up the difference. Does that make sense? So they phrase it as a guarantee, but a lot of times it ends up just being a cash bonus. That's Lyft. But now we're talking about Uber. I just wanted to get that out of the air. And then Lyft does not do the retroactive referral, just Uber. Again, I will leave instructions down below if you want to do that. So with Uber, how does is Uber a sign-up bonus or a guarantee? Uber's, at the time of this video, is a guarantee. What does that mean? Well, again, this changes. I'm almost hesitant to even say that because, guys, when I signed up to drive rideshare, I got a $1,200 cash bonus. I think it was like 100, was it 300 rides or 100 rides? I don't remember what it was, but I got 1,200 bucks in cash. It was so good. I paid off my credit card. I helped pay off my credit card with that. If you guys know me, I signed up to drive rideshare to pay off $5,000 in credit card debt and another $5,000 in my car loan debt. So I obviously paid it all off. You know, I wouldn't be sitting in this huge house. No, I'm just kidding. But no, it did help me out, help me pay off, and that cash bonus helped me out a ton. Again, I'm gonna leave the instructions down below to apply the referral code if you forgot, because a lot of people do forget. And don't mess up step 7. A lot of people mess up step 7 and it doesn't work. So make sure you use step 7 correct. Click invited driver, not refer. Invited driver, not refer. I don't know why, but everybody messes that step up and then it doesn't work. Anyways, again, I'm hesitant to say that it's a guarantee because it's literally changing all the time. If you guys know Uber, they have thousands of employees, guys. Tons of engineers. Like when you're driving Uber, it's absolutely crazy. Your pickup location changes all the time. I don't know if you guys noticed that. If you're a new driver, maybe you haven't caught on to that yet. But basically when you're driving for Uber, a lot of times you'll get a ride request and it's this is a lot of times when a lot of people ask, oh, should you accept a ride that's over 15 minutes away? Usually when you do have a long ride request, you'll be driving there and then all of a sudden it'll say, oh, pickup address changed. And you'll notice that now you're not picking up that same person. They changed the person on you. And whoever, you know, let's just say another driver dropped somebody off, or they just signed on to the app, or they completed a ride or whatever. They're completing a ride, in the process of completing a ride, and they happen to be closer to that other rider, and there's another rider closer to you. They're automatically switching passengers and drivers around all the time. It's all automatic. It's crazy. Like, sorry, I don't know why I'm holding my charger, but it helps me talk. It helps me think. They're changing, like literally they're constantly updating all the time. Like, it's absolutely crazy. Like, what else are they constantly, like, I mean, everything is all automated. They don't have, I mean, obviously they have people working there 9 to 5 and stuff, but like everything's automated. They're so brilliant. They're so smart. They know exactly how many, you know, rides are being taken at any given moment. There's millions. Are there millions of rides taken every day? I don't even know if that's too much to say, but there's so many rides happening all the time, and their app is seamless. And then when one day or 1 hour the app is down, everyone starts freaking out and go, oh my gosh, Uber sucks, I'm quitting, I'm going to Lyft. Guys, think about how complex it must be to run a simple application that allows somebody to order a driver that could be there within minutes. That's nearly impossible, and somehow they figured it out. So when the app crashes, don't get so upset. It happens. It's honestly a miracle that literally this service even exists. And you can just get paid at any moment. It's at 24/7. It's literally crazy if you really, really do think about it. It's like looking out at the ocean. Like, how does the ocean even exist? It's like, how does Uber literally pair up millions of people around the world 24/7 seamlessly? It's crazy. So with that being said, the Uber knows exactly how many drivers are in a certain market, exactly how many passengers are in a certain market. So if they need more drivers, they're going to increase the incentive, the sign-up bonus. If they need more passengers, they're going to offer discounts. And this goes with both Uber and Lyft, but with Uber, obviously they have way more passengers and drivers in most markets, so they're always changing it. So like right now it's a guarantee, but again, I will update the description. A lot of times, I wouldn't be surprised if tomorrow they start offering $1,000 bonuses to new drivers, you know, in certain markets, like in San Francisco, for instance. There's so, like, it's honestly, I just read an article that most people aren't even buying cars anymore. They're just riding with Uber and Lyft. I know it's crazy, but people don't even need cars anymore. It doesn't even make sense to have a car because having Uber and Uber Pool and stuff, you know, now it's like just doing carpooling, and there's so many more options. It's like to get a new driver in a certain area, Uber is gonna flush out a bunch of cash. I talked about this in my Lyft driver sign up bonus video, but Uber's customer acquisition cost, I know you're probably like, Dylan, I don't know what that word means. I didn't go to college or study business. Customer acquisition cost is essentially the cost that a company has to pay to get a new user. For Uber, how much does it cost for them to get a new active driver? It's crazy high. It's around $1,100. Most, I know you're thinking, oh, $1,100, no big deal, right? They're a $1 billion company. Most companies, their customer acquisition cost is like $5, $10. A video game company, to get somebody to download a game on your phone, a little Tetris game, probably $1 or $2, right? Maybe 50 cents. Uber, to get an active driver, it's around $1,000, $1,100. I know it's crazy high. That's why they're offering huge bonuses and guarantees. So again, if you want to check out the description down below, you can get the retroactive referral thing, and you can get your sign-up bonus up to $1,000 or guaranteed, again, depending on your market. But yeah, it's just free money waiting for you. Don't miss out on this. Hop in the description down below. Thank you all for watching today's video. I will talk to y'all soon. Have a great day.